Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to make a high-capacity power bank using my old laptop batteries. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell button to get the notification of new videos. This is my old laptop battery pack. Now I will check the battery voltage. All the battery are good, so I can use them. The battery is taking charge. Now I will use a power bank module like this. It has both Type-C and micro USB port for charging. Using PVC whiteboard to make the body of the power bank. Connected all the battery in parallel. Connect positive terminals of all battery together. And also connect negative terminal together. Now connect the positive terminal of the module with positive terminal of battery. And negative terminal of module with negative terminal of battery. It's working properly. Let's test it. I'm charging my mobile by it. Now assemble body parts. It's looking good. Thank you for watching.